Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And today we are going to be having a simple, easy, hopefully delicious meal. Now, what we're going to be fixing today is sort of like some ham sliders, but we're going to be eating them on regular hamburger buns. Carolyn's busy a canning beans, and I've been up there, me and Dixie, a splitting wood. Run down here long enough to get this started, and all we got to do, you will need. Now this here, we're using thin sliced ham. I'll have the recipe in the description. I don't see why you couldn't use roast beef, turkey, or what other lunch meat that you like. But anyway, we went with ham today. Instead of just regular old ham sandwiches this evening there, what we're going to do, we're going to use the slow cooker, and we'll need 2 pounds of shaved deli ham. Now this here is going to be just a little bit short. It was on sale this week there. But anyway, you'll need 1 cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And all we're going to do, we're going to mix that in a bowl. We're going to place the ham in the slow cooker, and we'll let that cook there on low for 2 to 3 hours. That should work out just about right for when we're waking Daniel up this evening there. Where he'd worked last night, got to work tonight. But what we'll do, we'll get started here. We get our little bowl. All right. Now use whatever barbecue sauce you like. What I'm going to be doing is using some of this that Carolyn made the other day. We'll get us a cup in here. Okay, set this back in the refrigerator, get this out of the way. Go ahead, I'll pour that in. Alright, set this over here in the sink. Now, get our brown sugar and put in there. And then, what is it? 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Shake this up good. Hope everybody's doing well. Come on out of there, buddy. All right. There's our 2 tablespoons of that. Put this back in the refrigerator. Has it been raining and storming where you all are at? It has been. It come some pretty good storms here again last night. Get this little spurtle out. Okay. Just messed something else up. We'll take care of that after a while. All right, we're just going to mix this up here now. That's simple as that. Get that little bit of mustard there. You just want to mix it up till everything's incorporated. There's a little bit of brown sugar right there. All right. Now, bring Carolyn's cooker over here. There we go. Set that out of the way. Now, just going to place the ham down in there. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alrighty. I poured a little bit of sauce in the bottom. Just a little bit. We're going to be stirring this up anyway here, but I thought we'd start off with just a little bit in the bottom there. So, of course, there goes the telephone ringing. Probably another one of them scam calls. Do you all get a lot of them scam calls? We sure do anymore. Mom and Dad. Scam call, Shug? Shug? Come here. Open these two up. My fingers done got slick from the ham. Well, fine. I could have done that.
That's what I always
Says easy open.
Yeah, but I can't open them.
First one was easy. My fingers wasn't all slimed up from the ham. Or wet. Shouldn't say slimed up. Tell you what. We'll pour a little bit of this here or drizzle that over top of there too. Then we'll spoon it all together here in a minute. Doug probably just created a mess there. Okay. Alrighty, let's get our other pack. And if you've made these before, let me know how you liked them and what recipe you used or anything. Now you'll notice most of the time our meals, we make them where they're simple, fairly quick, and we try to keep it down on a budget. I worked with a feller several years ago, and they said they didn't cook, that they didn't know really how to. I said, there ain't no, anybody can cook, especially this day and age. You can get online, find recipes and everything. It's just the main thing, don't be afraid. Yes, there's some things a fella makes. It ain't really, it don't come out the way you had it figured and planned. And if we don't like something, we'll tell you. You know, because I don't want y'all to be making something. Ew, he steered us close to this recipe. But it's just, anymore, everything costs so much. There earlier this morning there, before I went out, I seen him running a commercial. Big Mac meal, $8. Told Carolyn, I said, I can remember when I was a fussing when they was like, got up to $4 something a piece. And but no, just the main thing, don't be afraid. And like I said, most of the recipes we make, anybody can make them. Just all we're going to do, just try not to tear your ham up too bad there. Hopefully you're all seeing this. Just stir that up, mix it all together. Get everything coated. Now we do make other stuff besides just what we do for What's for Supper Wednesday. And there has been stuff we've made before. We've tried it out beforehand and it didn't make the cut to What's for Supper Wednesday. Because anymore, I know you're probably all tired of hearing me going about it, but ever since the big C virus back there in 21. Me and Carolyn and Dan got it. We was really bad sick with it there for a while. And lost my smell and taste. And it is not still fully recovered. Now there's some things I just have to go by what Carolyn and Dan says. And Carolyn, her taste at times is still messed up. But so I go by them. Now there's sometimes, few of the times this year when we picked corn and got it, I couldn't taste it. You know you was eating something. Carolyn and Dan both said, oh, it's good. Couldn't have proved it by me. But like I said, I'll get this stuff going. We'll see in probably about 2.5 hours. We'll see how it looks. We're going to cook it on low now. Now, if you want to do high, you can probably cut the time down to about an hour, hour and a half. We're just, I mean, it's all cooked. You're just basically warming everything up. Alrighty, folks. I'm going to shut up and get back up here to splitting some more wood. Little Dixie's wore out. She may stay here and help Mama can beans. But we'll see you here shortly. Alrighty. Here it is. This is on a bun Carolyn had made there, a sourdough bun. We got some cucumbers out of the garden. Got some tomatoes. We got some chips. Alrighty, we'll get everybody to try a piece. We'll just reach in here and grab a piece out. We get our light over here where we can see.
Kind of small. That's good. Delicious.
It is good. I can taste it. Like a good little sandwich.
That is good.
Alrighty, folks. Simple enough to make. Ain't gotta be a stand over it watching it. Alrighty, I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be a seeing you Friday, Lord willing. Y'all have a great day.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky. Morning dew and a rooster's cry. Garden rows stretching far and wide. Another summer day on the countryside. Tomatoes growing, beans on the vine. Sweet corn standing tall in line. The flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold. Simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled. Thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green. One of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's grown and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us, for every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead, here on Holmans Homestead today. Thank you all for coming along with us and watching